Hello everyone, this is Janvi Gupta, Civil 4th year student, Department of Civil Engineering. Today I am going to present a seminar presentation on a topic named Railway Line Safety. So here, these are my table of contents including introduction, what is the objective, what is key component, and what is the latest technologies of railway line safety, what is rail defect, what is the signal failure and its applications, what is the advantage and disadvantage, why its case study are so important, and last of the conclusion. Now moving to next slide, introduction. Railway line safety is a fundamental aspect of civil engineering with the context of railway infrastructure development and maintenance. It is all about making sure that trains run safely on their tracks, preventing accidents and protecting the people who watch trains and those who live near train tracks. It requires the collaboration of railway authorities, operators, governments, and the public to ensure the railway travel remains a safe and sustainable mode of transportation. Railway are the virtual mode of transportation for both people and goods, and maintaining their safety is of paramount importance. Now moving to next slide, what are the objectives of railway line safety? Prevent accident and incident including derailments and collisions. Ensure compliance with safety regulations and standards. Utilize advanced technologies for safety enhancement. Railway safety encompasses a range of measures and practice aimed at minimizing risk and preventing accidents. Now in next slide we have key components. First one is signaling and control systems. Signaling systems such as block signals and interlocking mechanisms are essential for controlling train movements. These systems ensure safe spacing between trains, preventing collisions or derailments. Second one is risk assessment and management. Civil engineers conduct risk assessment to identify potential hazards and develop strategies to mitigate these risks, enhancing overall safety. And third one, train controlling and braking. Modern train controlling system like positive train controlling (PTC) incorporate technology to monitor train speed, enforce speed limits, and apply brakes automatically when necessary for safety. Fourth one is grade crossing. Grade crossing requires safety measures such as warning signs, lights, gates, and barriers to prevent accident when roads intersect with railway tracks. And fifth one is train infrastructure. The railway track itself, including rails, ties, plats, and switches, must be designed, constructed, and maintained to meet safety standards. These involves regular inspection and maintenance to ensure proper alignment and structure. So here are latest technologies of railway safety. An automatic train protection system called auxiliary warning system is presently function on 364 RKMS in the Mumbai Suburban section of Central Railway, 240 RKMS and Western Railway 124 RKMS. Advanced integrated track monitoring system ITMS and self-propelled ultrasonic rail testing SPURT cars. An ATP system being developed called Train Collision Avoidance System in Underrail on 250 RKMS of South Central Railway as pilot project. Interlocking of railway crossing gates to protect level crossing gate with signals to avoid accidents has been done at 11057 gates up to 31st May 2018. Self ultrasonic rail testing cars for detection of internal flows railways, advanced integrated track monitoring system, and self-propelled ultrasonic rail testing cars. So in the next slide, rail defects. First one is hogging of rails. Rail ends get hogged due to poor maintenance of the rail joints, yielding formation, loose and fastening, and other such reasons. Hogging of railways causes the quality of the track. These defects can be remedied by measured packaging. So second one is scabbing of rails. The scabbing of rails occurs due to the falling of patches or chunks of metal from the rail table. Scabbing is generally seen in the shape of depressions whose surface reveals a progressive fractures with numerous cracks around it. So third one is wheel burns. Wheel burns are caused by the slipping of the driving wheel of locomotive on the rail surface. Extra heat is generated at the surface of the rail gets affected, resulting in a depression on the rail table. Wheel burns are generally noticed on the steep gradients or where there are heavy incidents of braking or near water columns. Fourth one is shelling and black spots. Shelling is the progressive horizontal separation of metal that occurs on the gauge side, generally at the upper gauge corner. It is caused by heavy burning pressure on a small area of contact, which produce heavy internal shear stresses. So here, what are the signal failure? The automatic block system is railway signaling and safety system that plays an important role in maintaining safe train operation. It is designed to prevent collision and ensure safe spacing between trains on a signal track on multiple tracks. Here is a summary of automatic block system ABS in bullet points. First one is track divisions. Railway tracks are divided into section or blocks. Track circuits. Each block is equipped with track circuits to detect the presence of trains. Signal control. Signal along the track communicate with train operations. Signal aspects. Signal have different aspects, red, yellow, green, to convey meaning. Interlocking prevents conflict signals from being displayed. Control centers. Centralized control centers monitor to the entire railway network. Dispatching. Operators manage train movements, set signals, and ensure safe spacing. Automatic train control can be integrated for automated speed and emergency controls. Block signals indicate whether a train can proceed, green, or must stop, red or yellow. Safe spacing. Trains cannot enter a block until it is clear, ensuring distance between them. So here are the applications of railway safety. First one is switching operations. Points are safe for switching or routing of trains within rail yards and terminals. Second one is maintenance inspection. Regular checks and maintenance of points are essential to detect and address issues promptly. Third one is human training. Proper training of railway is necessary to ensure correct handling of points. Fourth one is advanced technologies integration. Utilization of technologies like sensor and remote monitoring for real-time point status. Fifth one is regulatory compliance. To strict safety regulations and standards is mandatory for all railway operators. Advantages. Railway line safety prevents accidents and ensures passenger well-being. It reduces injuries and environmental hazards. It prevents damage to railway infrastructure. Railway safety contributes to community well-being. Public confidence in railway increases with safety. Crossing safety protects motorists and pedestrians. Emergency response planning is safety priority. Safety measures enhance the reliability of train services. Disadvantages. Track maintenance. Regular track maintenance and upkeep are fundamental to ensuring a safe and smooth railway operations. Emergency communications. Reliable communication systems are essential for timely alerts and coordinations during emergencies. Weather monitoring. Continuous monitoring of weather conditions help prepare for and respond to adverse weather-related safety challenges. Public safety. Continuous public safety help reinforce safe behavior around railway lines. So here are the case studies. First one is Odisha train tragedy. A signaling error was behind the Odisha triple train crash in June which killed 295 people. The three trains involved in the accident were the Kolkata-Chennai Coromandel Express and the Bangalore Havra Superfast Express and good trains. The Minister of Railway said lapse in the signal circuiting alteration at North Signal Gumti station caused the Coromandel Express to enter the loop line instead of the main line. The passenger train crashed into the good trains already parked on the loop line. The collision also included another passenger train, the Bangalore Havra Superfast Express, whose coaches delayed due to the impact of the crash between the Coromandel Express and the good trains. The real collision was due to the lapse in the signaling system alteration carried out the North Signal Gumti in the past and the during execution of the signaling worker related to replacement of electric lifting barrier for level crossing gate number 94 at the stations. It added that the lapse led to a green signaling being displayed for the wrong line, leading to the collision of the Coromandel Express with the stationary good trains. These include enforcing instruction to follow the protocol for any alteration involving changing in the existing system, introducing a railway concept wherein work on maintenance, repair, replacement is planned 2 weeks in advance on a rolling basis of the verification of indoor and outdoor written works, detail of signaling gears at station. So here are the how Odisha train crash have happened. There are the second case studies, Hyderabad train accident. The Hyderabad train accident in 2017, also known as the Kachiguda Express and MMTS local train collision, was a tragic incident that occurred on 11 November 2017 in Kachiguda railway station in Hyderabad, India. There are the key components about the accidents, date and the location. The accident took place on 11 November 2017 at the Kachiguda railway station in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Trains involved. The accident involved two trains, the Kachiguda Express and the multi-modal transport system local train. Time of the accident, the collision occurred around 10:30 am. Collision, the Kachiguda Express, which was departing from Kachiguda railway station, collided with the MMTS local train that was halted on the same track. The impact was severe, causing significant damage to both trains. Now, in conclusion, we can conclude railway line safety relies on strict regulation and compliances, technologies and advancement such as automation and signaling system enhance safety. Proper training and education for railway are essential. Effective communications and emergency are vital components. Public awareness about railway safety is necessary. Environmental consideration like wildlife crossings are important. Continuous improvement and learning from incidents are key.